Leo, today we're talking about a very common English confusion.
That sounds interesting. What is it?
Two simple words that many learners mix up.
Now I'm curious.
The words are very and to.
Oh, yes. I hear people use them all the time.
Exactly, but many learners use them incorrectly.
Really? I thought they meant the same thing.
That's the problem. They look similar, but their meanings are different.
Okay, now I want to understand the difference.
Let's start with the word very.
All right.
Very is used to make an adjective stronger.
Can you give me an example?
Sure. For example, the movie was very interesting.
So, very just makes interesting stronger.
Exactly.
That seems simple.
Yes, but now let's look at to.
Okay.
To usually means more than necessary.
Oh, so it has a negative meaning sometimes.
Yes, often it does.
Can you give an example?
Of course. Listen to this sentence. The coffee is too hot.
That means the coffee is hotter than I want.
Exactly. Maybe it's so hot that you cannot drink it.
Now I see the difference.
Good. Let's compare two sentences.
I'm ready.
Sentence 1, the coffee is very hot.
That just means the coffee's really hot.
Correct.
What about the second one?
2, the coffee is too hot.
That means I can't drink it yet.
Perfect explanation.
Wow, the meaning changes a lot.
Yes, just one word can change the whole sentence.
I think many English learners confuse this.
Exactly why we're explaining it today.
Let me try another example.
Go ahead.
This bag is very heavy.
That means the bag has a lot of weight.
Now I'll use too.
Okay?
This bag is too heavy.
Which means you probably can't carry it.
Right.
Excellent.
I think I'm starting to understand.
Good, but there are more situations where people make mistakes.
Oh, really?
Yes, and some of them are quite funny.
Now I'm excited to hear them.
In the next part, we'll look at more examples of very and to.
And we'll test our viewers as well.
Exactly.
Let's see if they can answer correctly.
Stay with us.
Because the next examples might surprise you. Okay, Ria, I'm ready for the next examples.
Great. Let's test you with a situation.
Oh no, another test already?
Don't worry, this one is easy.
I hope so.
Imagine the weather is 40 degrees outside.
That sounds very hot.
Good sentence.
Thank you.
But now imagine you want to say you cannot go outside because of the heat.
Then I should say, it is too hot,
Exactly.
because the heat is more than comfortable.
Perfect explanation.
I like this example.
Let's try another one.
Okay.
Imagine you are watching a movie.
All right.
The movie is interesting.
Then I can say, the movie is very interesting.
Correct.
But if the movie is so boring that I want to leave,
Good question.
maybe I should say, the movie is too boring.
Exactly.
So too often suggests a problem.
Yes, that's a good way to remember it.
Very means strong description,
Right.
and too means something is excessive.
Excellent summary.
Let's try a food example.
Sure.
If a soup tastes great, I might say, this soup is very delicious.
Good.
But if the soup has too much salt,
What would you say?
this soup is too salty.
Perfect.
That means I cannot enjoy it.
Exactly.
Now I see why learners confuse these words.
Yes, because both are used with adjectives.
But their meaning is very different.
Correct.
Let's challenge our viewers.
Good idea.
Which sentence sounds correct?
Sentence 1. This box is very heavy.
Sentence 2. This box is too heavy to lift.
Both can be correct depending on the situation.
That's interesting.
Yes, context matters.
English is full of small details like this.
And learning them makes your English sound natural.
I think our viewers are learning a lot today.
I hope so.
But I still want more examples.
Don't worry,
Why?
because in the next part, we will show some mistakes learners often make with very and to.
That sounds useful.
Yes, and some of them are quite surprising.
Now I'm curious.
Let's continue in the next part.
Ria, you said earlier that learners often make mistakes with very and to.
Yes, that happens quite often.
What kind of mistakes do they make?
One common mistake is using to when they actually mean very.
Oh, I think I've heard that before.
Let me give you an example.
Okay.
Imagine someone says, I am too happy today.
That sounds strange.
Exactly.
Because to suggests a problem.
Correct.
But being happy is usually a good thing.
Right. So the better sentence would be, I am very happy today.
That sounds much more natural.
Exactly.
So, too happy would mean the happiness is causing a problem.
Yes, something unusual like that.
Interesting.
Here's another example.
I'm listening.
Someone says, this dress is too beautiful.
That sounds a bit strange too.
Yes, because beauty usually isn't a problem.
So it should be, this dress is very beautiful.
Perfect.
I see the pattern now.
Good.
Very describes something strongly,
Exactly.
but too suggests something is more than acceptable.
That's right.
Let me try a sentence.
Go ahead.
This room is very cold.
Good.
That just means the temperature is low.
Correct.
Now I'll use too.
Okay.
This room is too cold.
Which means it's uncomfortable.
Maybe I need a jacket.
Exactly.
I think our viewers are starting to understand this difference.
I hope so.
But I have a question.
What is it?
Can we use to with another word after it?
Yes, good observation.
Really?
For example, you can say, the box is too heavy to carry.
Oh, that makes sense.
The weight prevents you from carrying it.
So to often leads to a result.
Exactly.
That's a very useful rule.
Yes, it helps learners understand the meaning clearly.
I'm glad we're explaining this.
Me too.
I think many people confuse these two words.
Definitely.
But with these examples, the difference is becoming clear.
And we still have more examples coming.
Really?
Yes.
What will we talk about next?
In the next part, we'll look at real-life situations where very and to are used in daily conversations.
That sounds helpful.
Yes, because real situations make learning easier.
I'm ready for the next part. Ria, the examples we discussed were really helpful.
I'm glad you think so.
But I want to see how these words work in everyday conversations.
That's a great idea.
Because learners often hear English in daily situations.
Exactly. Let's imagine a real-life situation.
Okay,
Imagine you are in a restaurant.
sounds good already.
The food arrives and it tastes amazing.
Then I can say, this food is very delicious.
Correct.
But what if the food has too much chili?
Then you might say, this food is too spicy.
Because I can't eat it comfortably.
Exactly.
That makes perfect sense.
Let's try another situation.
I'm ready?
Imagine you are studying for an exam.
That sounds stressful.
You look at a question and it seems difficult.
I might say, this question is very difficult.
Good.
But if the question is impossible for me,
What would you say?
this question is too difficult.
Exactly.
That means I probably cannot answer it.
Right.
I like these examples because they feel realistic.
Real-life examples help learners remember better.
I agree.
Let's think about weather again.
Okay.
Imagine a beautiful sunny day.
I might say, the weather is very nice today.
Perfect.
But if the temperature becomes unbearable,
Then you could say the weather is too hot.
because it's uncomfortable.
Exactly.
I think this rule is becoming very clear now.
That's good to hear.
Very describes something strongly,
Yes,
and too shows something is excessive.
exactly.
I think our viewers can practice this easily.
Yes, they could try making their own sentences.
That's a great idea.
For example, they could describe their day.
Like saying, today was very busy.
Or today was too busy.
Those sentences actually feel different.
Yes, and understanding that difference is important.
I'm really enjoying this lesson.
Me too.
But before we finish, I think we should give one more challenge to our viewers.
That's a great idea.
A small test always helps.
Exactly.
So, in the next part, we'll give them a final challenge.
Let's see if they can answer it correctly.
I'm excited to see their responses. All right, Ria, it's time for the final challenge.
Yes, let's see if our viewers understood the difference between very and to.
I'm excited to see their answers.
Okay, here is the situation.
I'm ready.
Imagine you are carrying a big bag.
That sounds heavy already.
The bag feels uncomfortable and you cannot carry it anymore. Which sentence should you say?
Let me think.
Sentence 1, this bag is very heavy.
Okay.
Sentence 2, this bag is too heavy.
Oh, that's interesting.
What do you think?
I think the correct sentence is, this bag is too heavy,
Exactly.
because it is heavier than I can manage.
Perfect explanation.
If I just say very heavy, it only describes the weight.
Right.
But too heavy shows there's a problem.
Exactly.
I think that example makes the rule very clear.
Yes, it's simple when you understand the meaning.
Let's give our viewers another quick example.
Good idea.
Imagine a movie that you really enjoyed.
What would you say?
The movie was very interesting.
Correct.
But if the movie is boring and you want to leave,
Then you might say, the movie is too boring.
exactly.
See how the meaning changes?
Yes, just one small word makes a big difference.
That's why learning these details is important in English.
I completely agree.
Now, let's quickly review.
Sure.
Very makes an adjective stronger.
Like very happy or very cold.
Correct.
And too means something is more than acceptable.
Exactly.
Like too hot or too heavy.
Perfect.
I think our viewers can now use these words correctly.
I hope so.
Learning English step by step really works.
Yes, small improvements make a big difference.
And practice is the key.
Absolutely.
If you enjoyed this lesson,
Don't forget to subscribe to Glow English Academy.
and keep practicing your English with us.
We'll see you in the next lesson.
Keep learning and keep speaking.